In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change and manage page zoom on Microsoft Edge. Whether you want to make web pages easier to read or adjust the view for a specific site, controlling zoom settings can greatly improve your browsing experience. First, open Microsoft Edge on your device. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner and click the three vertical dots. This is the menu icon and it reveals a variety of options. From this menu, select Settings. Now, focus on the left panel and click on Appearance. Scroll down to the section called Other Appearance Settings, and here you'll find the Page Zoom option. Click the drop down next to it and select a zoom percentage that suits your needs. Higher percentages enlarge page content, while lower percentages make it smaller. This sets a default zoom for all websites. If you want a specific zoom level for a particular site, open that website. Click the three dots in the top right corner again. In this menu, you'll see plus and minus buttons for zoom. Click the plus to increase the page size or the minus to decrease it. This adjustment only affects the site you're on, leaving global settings unchanged. By using these steps, you can make web content easier to read and customize your browsing experience for comfort and accessibility. That's all for today's tutorial on managing page zoom in Microsoft Edge. Enjoy full control over how websites appear and revisit these steps anytime you need to make adjustments.